Have you struggled to climb hills, burning all of your energy trying to get up them, or not being able to climb them at all? If so, it sounds like you need to upgrade your bike to a wide-range drivetrain. Stick around and I'll walk you through the process of installing a wide-range drivetrain on your bike. For parts, you will need a wide-range cassette, a derailleur hanger adapter, a longer cable and cable housing, and a longer chain. Start by taking the rear wheel off of the bike and remove the skewer. Using a chain whip and cassette tool, remove the cassette from the free hub. Replace the cassette and add a spacer if necessary. Remove the cable from the derailleur. Unfasten the derailleur from the derailleur hanger. Attach the derailleur hanger adapter to the existing derailleur hanger. Remount the derailleur to the derailleur hanger adapter. Try to reattach the cable. If it doesn't reach, replace the cable. Most likely, the old chain will not be long enough. Install a new chain and cut to the correct size. Finally, adjust the derailleur. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to install a wide-range cassette on your bike. If you have questions about the parts, tools, or methods I used, write them in the comments and I will try my best to answer them.